Hello there, welcome to Next Friction Zone. Have you ever seen motorcycle accidents like this? How about like this? And how about this?
Turn, turn, turn! Jesus Christ!
How about that?
Yo!
How about this one?
Yo! You dick hilly, bro. What the fuck?
And that one. Well, today I'm going to give you one tip to make sure that this never happens to you. Doesn't matter if you are riding a motorcycle, a scooter, an electric bike, a snowmobile, a jet ski, anything with a throttle. If you follow this one advice, you won't ever have issues like this again. Let's get it. Alright folks, so the single issue that we're going to talk about today that's related to all the accidents that you've seen prior have to do with the way you hold and use your throttle, okay? So essentially there's two ways for you to hold your throttle, okay? I'm exaggerating a little bit on the positioning, but one way is for you to essentially cock or bend your wrist this way. I'm a little bit exaggerating, but this is one way that people usually hold their throttle, and this kind of feels really good in the beginning because it allows you to extend and roll as much as possible, okay? So you start from here and you go all the way down. So this is really efficient for riders that want to ride fast. I don't know why you want to ride so fast. Maybe, I don't know, maybe you're in a hurry. I don't get it. But anyways, this is one way. Okay, and then there's another way that essentially is the opposite, where you'll be bending your wrist this way and you have your elbow slightly bent. Okay, so they're very different. Let me explain to you. If you cock your wrist this way, okay, when you give it a full go on your throttle, what ends up happening is, you know, the bike is going to go really fast because you're rolling the throttle. And a lot of times what happens is the bike is going to be going so fast that it's going to pull your body back so much where the only thing that you have left to do is hold on to the bike for dear life, okay? And the other thing also to consider is, look at my fingers, okay? If you have your if this is your original default position, by the time you're done rolling the throttle, okay, for you to stop the bike, you have to unroll it, and then you have to put your fingers on the brakes, okay? So this is like a two-step process. Once you roll, step one, unroll, and then put your fingers to cover the brake, okay? This is a little bit of a, you're kind of like losing time, you know? Just think about it. When you come to those moments, the moments, you really want to cut down on reaction time as much as possible. So even a half a second can be the difference between life and death. I'm not exaggerating, okay? This could really happen. This is a life and matter situation, all right? As opposed to this position, okay, so take a look at my hand. If your hand is already slightly bent instead of being fully cocked, okay, what you can do is you can roll and then you'll still have reach for the brake, so that by the time you need to unroll and brake, look, I'm unrolling and I've already got my fingers on the brake. Okay, so this is a one-step process. Look, I can do all of this in one motion. You see how much smoother and how much different this is? Okay, so right there, you're already saving time. But really, you know, the most important thing is, look, if you roll your throttle this way, okay, and you fully extend it, there's a good chance you're going to be going really fast, and you're not going to have enough strength to, you know, to unroll it. Okay, you're going to be holding on to the bike for dear life, and by the time this happens, there's nothing else it can do. Okay, all right, it's going to be extremely difficult for you to unroll your throttle from an extended arm position, and then step number 2, brake for it. All right, this is it. Very simple. Okay, you can apply this, again, you can apply this to a motorcycle, a scooter, a jet ski, anything that has a throttle, even an electric bike. Okay, the same concept applies. All right, this is all I have for today. Be safe out there. Take care. Bye.